Today we start a journey together, and I want you to feel relaxed, confident, and curious. This video is not only about learning English, it is about learning to believe in yourself. Many people think English is too hard. They say, I am not smart enough, I am too old, or I do not have time. But today I want you to remember one simple idea. Nothing is impossible. When you change how you think, you change how you learn. Take a deep breath, smile a little, and let us begin. Think about a time when you learned something difficult. Maybe you learned how to ride a bicycle, use a smartphone, or cook a new dish. At first it felt confusing. You made mistakes. You felt slow, but you did not quit. One day, without noticing, it became easy. English works the same way. Fluency is not magic. It is the result of small daily effort. Repeat after me slowly. I can learn English. Again. I can learn English. Good. Feel the confidence in that sentence. Let me tell you a real story. There was a man named Orif. He worked as a taxi driver. Every day tourists entered his car, and he felt shy because he could not speak English. He understood some words, but he was afraid of making mistakes. One day a tourist smiled and said, "Your English is okay, just try." That small sentence changed Arif's life. He started listening to simple English videos while driving. He repeated sentences aloud. He learned 5 new words every day. After 1 year, he could talk comfortably with foreigners. His income increased, but more importantly, his confidence grew. If Arif could do it, you can too. Now let us practice together. I will say a sentence and you repeat it. Speak clearly, but do not worry about perfection. English is about communication, not perfection. Repeat. Mistakes help me learn. Again. Mistakes help me learn. Very good. Remember, every mistake is a teacher, not an enemy. When you accept mistakes, learning becomes faster and more enjoyable. Many learners ask, how long will it take to become fluent? The honest answer is, it depends on you. It depends on your habits, not your talent. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Consistency is powerful. Imagine watering a plant. A little water every day makes it grow strong. The same is true for English. Listen daily, speak daily, read daily. Even short practice matters. Let us learn some useful vocabulary now. The word impossible means something cannot be done. But when we say nothing is impossible, we mean everything can be done with effort and time. Another word is confidence. Confidence means believing in yourself. Repeat these words: impossible, confidence, effort, time. Good job. Try to use one of these words in a sentence in your mind. This mental practice helps your brain remember. Sometimes your biggest enemy is not English. It is fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of people laughing. Fear of sounding foolish. But think about children. Children make many mistakes, yet they learn languages quickly. Why? Because they are not afraid. Today, choose to be brave like a child. Choose progress over perfection. Say this with me: I choose progress over perfection. Excellent. Let me share another short story. A woman named Maria moved to a new country. She felt lonely because she could not express her feelings in English. She decided to join a small English speaking group. At first, her voice shook when she spoke. Her grammar was not perfect, but people listened. They encouraged her. After 6 months, she made friends. English gave her a new life. Language is not just words, it is connection, opportunity, and freedom. As we continue, remember this: you are not behind, you are exactly where you need to be. Every step counts. Even watching this video is a step forward. Be proud of yourself. Smile again, and prepare for the next part of our journey. We will build your fluency step by step together. Before we move on, let us slow down and reflect together. Reflection is a powerful learning tool. Ask yourself a simple question. Why do I want to improve my English? Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel confidently. Maybe you want to understand movies, books, or songs without subtitles. Your reason is your fuel. When motivation feels low, remember your reason and start again. Now, a short speaking practice. Answer aloud, even if your answer is simple. What is one small English habit you can start today? You can say, I will listen to English every morning, or I will learn 3 new words daily, or I will speak English to myself. Speaking to yourself is not strange. It is smart practice. Many fluent speakers do it. Let us practice pronunciation gently. Say this sentence slowly. Nothing is impossible when I practice every day. Again, a little faster. Nothing is impossible when I practice every day. Feel the rhythm? English has music. When you enjoy the sound, fluency grows naturally. Finally, promise yourself something small but real. Not a big promise that assumes. I am glad you decided to continue because this decision shows something important about you. It shows that you do not give up easily. In this section, we will go deeper, but still keep everything simple, clear, and friendly. Remember, English learning should feel like a conversation with a friend, not like a school exam. Relax your mind and open your ears. Many learners think fluency means speaking very fast. This is not true. Fluency means speaking smoothly, with confidence, and without too much fear. You can speak slowly and still be fluent. The key is clarity, not speed. Repeat after me slowly. I speak clearly and confidently. Again, I speak clearly and confidently. Very good. Let these words become part of your thinking. Let us talk about daily practice. Imagine brushing your teeth. You do it every day without thinking. English practice should become like that. Simple, daily, natural. You do not need expensive courses or perfect conditions. You only need intention. While walking, cooking, or resting, you can listen to English. While sitting alone, you can speak English to yourself. This is how fluency grows quietly. Here is a real-life example. A young student named Hassan wanted to study abroad. His English was weak, and he felt embarrassed when speaking. Instead of waiting for motivation, he created a routine. Every night before sleeping, he spoke English for 10 minutes about his day. He talked about what he ate, what he learned, and how he felt. At first, it was difficult. He stopped many times. He searched for words. But after 3 months, something changed. Words came faster. Sentences felt easier. His confidence improved. Habit changed his future. Now it is your turn to practice. Answer this question aloud. What did you do yesterday? Use simple sentences. For example, yesterday I worked. Yesterday I watched a video. Yesterday I learned English. Do not worry about grammar too much. Focus on speaking. Your mouth and brain are learning together. Let us learn some useful everyday expressions. These expressions help you sound natural. Listen and repeat. Take your time. I will try my best. That sounds interesting. Let me think about it. I am getting better every day. These sentences are powerful. Use them often. When you repeat useful phrases, your brain stores them as ready-made tools. Sometimes learners say, I understand English, but I cannot speak. This is very common. Understanding is passive, speaking is active. To speak, you must train your mouth, not only your ears. Think of it like sports. Watching football does not make you a player. You must move your body. In English, you must move your mouth. Even if you speak alone, it counts. Here is a simple speaking exercise. Look around you and name 5 things in English. For example, table, phone, window, chair, light. Now make a sentence with one word. The phone is on the table. Very good. This kind of practice builds speed and confidence. Let us talk about mistakes again, because this is very important. Many learners stop speaking because they want perfect grammar. But perfect grammar is not required for communication. Native speakers also make mistakes. Communication is about message, not perfection. Say this sentence with me. I allow myself to make mistakes. Again, I allow myself to make mistakes. This mindset will free you. Another short story. There was a woman working in an office where English was required. She made grammar mistakes, but she spoke confidently. People understood her and respected her. Another colleague had better grammar but never spoke. Who improved faster? The woman who spoke. Courage beats silence every time. Now let us build vocabulary in a smart way. Do not try to memorize long lists. Learn words through stories and sentences. For example, the word opportunity. Opportunity means a good chance. Make a sentence. Learning English gives me new opportunities. Repeat it. Learning English gives me new opportunities. When words connect to meaning, they stay longer in your memory. Let us check your understanding with a small question. Answer aloud. Is it better to practice English a little every day or a lot once a month? Of course, a little every day. Good. You are thinking like a successful learner. Sometimes you will feel tired or bored. This is normal. On those days, reduce the pressure, not the habit. Instead of 30 minutes, do 5 minutes. Instead of speaking, just listen. The important thing is not to stop completely. Consistency is stronger than motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. Try this calming practice now. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself speaking English comfortably. You are relaxed. People understand you. You smile while speaking. This mental picture trains your brain. Athletes use visualization. Language learners can use it too. Repeat this positive sentence. English is becoming easier for me. Again, English is becoming easier for me. Words have power.